Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I will be showing you how to compact a conversation in Cloud Code. As you work in Cloud Code, the conversation gets longer and uses more context. The compact feature helps reduce context users by replacing the full conversation history with a shorter summary while keeping the important information in the details. This helps Cloud to stay efficient during long coding sessions, and that means that your context is not going to consume all of your tokens. It's going to reduce the amount of the context that are being used. So what to do in this case? There are several things that you can do. One of them is to compact. You can use for compact if you want to literally let Cloud to analyze the conversation and create a condensed summary of the important information, then remove much of the detailed history. This is very important as you will be removing everything from your or basically most of the information in your messages or the history of your messages, and this can lead to many problems in the future. So make sure to not use it and alone. I always want to use this with another keyword, so you could use this like this: compact focus on authentication system. Plus you would want it to focus on the authentication system, like you wanted to keep everything that is important. Do not miss any information. Even if you were going to give me a summary, it needs to include everything that happened in this conversation before. So this is something that you should take in consideration as well. In case you are going to have like there is two ways of doing it, like focus on authentication system and focus on API migration. This tells Cloud which part of the conversation are most important to keep. So this is also something to do, because as you can see here, there is APIs, MCP skills, a lot of things that you should take care when you are talking about context. So you need to give it some information to be focusing on. When you should use this compact, well, there is many reasons where you should use them, or occasions like when the session has become very long, Cloud starts repeating information, and context usage is getting high. In this situation, you really need to use one of these prompts, call them, or a command that I've just shown you in this video. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.